Alright, so it's Christmas Day 2020. Check out this snowstorm we got. Look at how much snow is in that window right there. Like 2 feet of snow. Can't even see the street or anything. That's pretty wild. Alright, check this out. Look at how deep the snow is. It's like level with the back porch. That's almost up to my knees. Alright, we gotta get in there and get the snowblower out, I guess. Here my next door neighbor got his out. Alright, let me try to get over there. Oh, I don't know if this gate's gonna open. Oh! I'm going for it. There we go. Get all the snow out of my shoes. Some people have asked me on some previous videos if I still have this 1960 Ariens snowblower that I found being thrown out with seized up engine, and I absolutely do. I did some research on this. I don't think the snowblower is quite as old as I thought it was. I think it's maybe about a 1962. But the engine really is a 59, and I'm not sure if it's actually the original engine because this is a cast iron 8 horsepower Tecumseh, and as far as I know these only came with 6 horsepower Tecumsehs originally. So this is the kind of engine you might find on like a wheel horse lawn tractor. I just kicked over a can. Whoops, my workshop is an unbelievable mess. But I don't know if this is the original engine. I saw some reports that they had these 8 horses on them, but I couldn't even find a photo of it, so I don't know. Anyway, it runs and works perfectly fine, and I'm about to start it up and dig myself out here. Because, yeah, the smaller Ariens, which is back there, that is not going to cut it. Need this huge monster to get ourselves dug out here. Look at the snow on top of that car. Look at that. What is that, like 2.5 feet? That's crazy. Check out this car over here. Can't even see what kind of car it is. Looks like a big SUV or something under all that snow. So we're out for a little drive here. The roads aren't too bad. The crews have been out a bit, I think. But some of the side streets are still pretty lousy. Here, I'll turn down a side street here. I wouldn't really want to be out here in anything less than an SUV. You can see there's a lot of snow still on these roads here. The dude just almost walked out in front of my car. I mean, this street, I don't think this one's really been plowed. Maybe a little bit. But I've got this Subaru Forester here with snow tires on it, and this thing's pretty unstoppable in the snow. I don't think I've ever gotten stuck in this car, even in driving through upwards of 2 feet. I've never gotten this thing stuck, which is pretty incredible. But I don't think I'd want to be out here in like a sedan, or especially not something rear-wheel drive. I think you'd get stuck pretty quick. But anyway, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, Happy Hanukkah if you celebrate Hanukkah, happy whatever holiday you celebrate. So happy holidays from me, and Happy New Year, and I hope everybody's still doing okay. I know this year's been pretty crazy, so let's see if there's anybody coming over there. Nope. Alright. Yeah, see, I'm up. Whoa. I love this car though. These Subarus are so much fun. Anyway, happy holidays to everybody. Happy New Year. I think everybody's going to be pretty glad to see this year coming to an end. And I hope to make a lot more videos in the coming year. I've actually been very busy this year, strangely enough. So unlike I think a lot of people are laid off from work and things like that. But I've been really busy, which is why I haven't had a chance to make too many videos. So I think I'm going to buy a new camera pretty soon. I think I'm going to buy a DJI stabilized camera so I can stop using these big DSLRs that make my arm hurt after 4 minutes of filming. The video quality is great, but I'm sitting here stopping at a green light because I'm trying to talk to my camera. But the video quality is great on these things, but they're kind of annoying to use because I can't just grab them and go. And I think that hinders my wanting to make videos somewhat. So anyway, until next time, talk to you later.